Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to make a Discord server. So first you have to go to a browser and there you have to search for Discord. Then you will get this first link. You will get to the website of Discord. Then you have to click on this option, open Discord at your browser and simply log in with your email address. And after that, your account will open. On the left side, you will find all of your servers listed. Within that, you will also see the option for the plus at the bottom. Once you click onto that plus icon, you will see this option add a server. Click onto it, then you have the option either you can create it for yourself or for other purposes. Choose the one that you like, then you can choose either you want it for a community or maybe for your friends. Select the option and then name it as per your preferences, whatever name you want to give. Simply write, and if you want to upload a profile picture, you can do it. Then click on create, and after that your Discord server will be created. Now just simply add people to it and you can have conversation with your friends, and for whatever purposes you want to create the server you can do it now. So that's how you can create a server on Discord. I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.